guys, me Amy here, and today I'll be doing another video, and today it's going to be episode 3 of cooking. So as you can see, I forgot the name of it. Well, today I'm gonna prepare iftar because, I'm doing this video, because today I fasted my first time. I almost fasted. As you can see, it's like 7:17. Like we're almost there, so let me just do my calculations. 23 more minutes. And then we're gonna eat iftar, me and my parents. So yeah. Today I'm just gonna be talking about Ramadan because it's a Ramadan video, themed video. You can see. So yeah. I'm gonna cook these until these are like very dark brownish. So yeah. Okay. And I just remembered that this is called piaju. It's a very tasty recipe. I usually love to eat this in iftar with my parents. As you can see, these are almost ready. Like 5 more minutes, then they're probably almost done. And now I'm just gonna talk about like if you should do if you should fast. Well, in my opinion, you should. I recommend. You're not obliged to do it. But it's because if you're gonna fast, you have to wake up before sunrise. Eat food like normal food, anything you want. Well, I recommend you drink a lot of glass of waters to fill up your stomach. So yeah, and that's called sehri. I think it is. So another reason why you should do Ramadan, the thing is, our God, Lord, Allah, He told to a lot of prophets that Ramadan is about having the pain of people who can't eat for days. So that's just one point about Ramadan. There's a lot of points. I don't know how much there are, so yeah. But if you're my age, like 9 or something, sorry about that. If you're 9 or 10, something like that, next to that, I recommend you start fasting. But I'm not obliging. You're not obliged to, but it's recommended. It's because I'll tell you how easy or hard it is. So in the morning when you wake up, you're starving because it's the time for you to eat the main thing that will give you energy on the whole day. It's breakfast, but you're gonna have to miss that to fast. It's very hard, but you're gonna have to. But in the middle of the day, like 12 p.m. or something, like 3 p.m., something like that, I don't know if any of you guys having in a normal day you haven't eaten for 4 hours to 5 hours, you're gonna feel your stomach is not it's not hungry anymore, but your stomach becomes it makes a lot more noises, but you don't feel that hungry. So yeah, you reach that point and that helps you. So yeah. So another point is that you're gonna have the pain of the homeless, and the thing is, telling this again because to all those rich people out there, I recommend you to donate to charity because it's gonna help everyone well, everyone being happy, like all the positive emotions. So yeah. As you can see, we're almost there with these piaggio. I'm gonna cut until they're ready, so yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna show everything we have on the table. There's other stuff coming. So this is jalapi with dates. This is some rice with a bit of onions, a bit of vegetables, and some of these are made from my mom's friend. So yeah, here is chola. We call it chola. Here is piaggio. I was making that, and here this is. These are biguni. Well, these are eggplants, and these are some burritos. Well, we call them porata with vegetables in it. This is some more piaggio. My mom just dropped them. Here is a butter halwa. There's more coming, and this is more chola with some vegetables and some eggs. So we're done with the table. And this is some muri, puffed rice, but in our language we call it muri. Here is sharbut. It's like how we make this here. Well, first we're gonna take some water, put some sugar. Well, the ingredients are water, sugar, and some lemon. So yeah. These are some orange juice. I have 2 glasses of the same thing as my dad here. So yeah, that's everything we're gonna drink and eat. So well, this is what we eat for my iftar. So now I'm gonna end the video because yeah, I just wanted to make this short and what I do for iftar and eat. So I'll see you on the next video, and bye. Like and subscribe and comment down below.